Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, you'll want to open up the Files application right here. Once you open it up, at the bottom you'll see your two storages, the storage of the phone and the SD card. So I'm gonna capture maybe a screenshot just so I have something to transfer. There we go. So I'm gonna start off with the internal storage, which is the phone one, and in here we have a couple folders that I will mention before we begin. So folders that actually might be important to you. So that would be the DCIM folder, which contains pictures and videos captured with the device itself. Then we have the downloads folder below that, which will contain anything that we have downloaded either through a web browser or email, stuff like that. It all gets saved to this folder. And then at the bottom we have pictures folder right here, which will contain screenshots. So once you find your files, which for me they will be right over here, you will want to select them. Those are the files that I'll be using as an example. So to select them, all you need to do is just hold it like so. As you can see, it becomes checked, and from there you can tap on additional ones quickly to select more. Once you have your files selected, tap on the three dots and choose to either move it or copy it. I'm gonna go with the move option, and once you select one of the two, it will bring up the window at the bottom, giving you the option to move it somewhere else on the phone storage, because that's where they are right now, or to a new storage like the SD card, which is what I'm gonna select right here. And on the SD card, you can move whatever you want, navigate to a specific folder if you want to drop it into this folder, or if you don't feel like moving it into a specific folder, you can just drop it straight to the SD card by clicking move here. Let's allow, and there we go. As you can see, files have been removed from here and they've been moved to the bottom right here. And that is how you remove your files. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.